Voriconazole is a triazole compound used to treat fungal infections. In this video, let's find found. What is voriconazole? What is voriconazole used for? Contraindication. What are the side effects of taking voriconazole? How does voriconazole work? How to use voriconazole? What is voriconazole? Voriconazole, sold under the brand name Vfend among others, is an antifungal medication used to treat a number of fungal infections. This includes aspergillosis, candidiasis, coccidioidomycosis, histoplasmosis, penicilliosis, and infections by C. diasporium or fusarium. Voriconazole was patented in 1990 and approved for medical use in the United States in 2002. It is on the World Health Organization's list of essential medicines. What is voriconazole used for? For the treatment of esophageal candidiasis, catademia, invasive pulmonary aspergillosis, and serious fungal infections caused by C. diasporium apiospermum and fusarium spp. Contraindication. It is toxic to the fetus. Pregnant women should not take it, and women taking it should not become pregnant. People who have hereditary intolerance for galactose, LAP lactase deficiency, or glucose-galactose malabsorption should not take this drug. It should be used with caution in people with arrhythmias or long QT. Side effects. Common adverse effects, occurring in between 1 and 10% of people, include sinus infections, low numbers of white and red blood cells, agranulocytosis, pancytopenia, thrombocytopenia, leukopenia, and anemia, low blood sugar, reduced amount of potassium and sodium, hallucinations, anxiety, insomnia, agitation, confusion, convulsions, fainting, tremor, weakness, tingling, sleepiness, dizziness, bleeding retina, irregular heartbeats, slow or fast heartbeats, low blood pressure. Inflamed veins, acute respiratory distress syndrome, periedema, inflamed lips, swollen face, stomach upset, constipation, gingivitis, jaundice, hair loss, flaky skin, itchiness, red skin, back pain, chest pain, and chills. Pharmacodynamic. Voriconazole is a fungistatic triazole antifungal used to treat infections by inhibiting fungal growth. It is known to cause hepatotoxic and photosensitivity reactions in some patients. Mechanism of action. Voriconazole is used to treat fungal infections caused by a variety of organisms, but including Aspergillus spp. and Candida spp. Voriconazole is a triazole antifungal exhibiting fungistatic activity against fungal pathogens. Like triazoles, voriconazole binds to 14-alpha-sterol demethylase, also known as CYP51, and inhibits the demethylation of lanosterol as part of the ergosterol synthesis pathway in yeast and other fungi. The lack of sufficient ergosterol disrupts fungal cell membrane function and limits fungal cell growth. With fungal growth limited, the host's immune system is able to clear the invading organism. Pharmacodynamic. Voriconazole is a fungistatic triazole antifungal used to treat infections by inhibiting fungal growth. It is known to cause hepatotoxic and photosensitivity reactions in some patients. Dose. Invasive aspergillosis. In clinical trials, the majority of isolates recovered were Aspergillus fumigatus. 6 mg per kilogram 4Q12HR for first 24 hours, then 4 mg per kilogram 4Q12HR or 200 mg Q12HR. Median duration of treatment, for 10 days, range 2 to 90 days, PO 76 days, range 2 to 232 days. Candidemia. Indicated for candidemia in non-neutropenic patients with other deep tissue candida infections, e.g., albicans, Candida glabrata, Candida krusei, Candida parasillosis, Candida tropicalis. 6 mg per kilogram 4Q12HR for first 24 hours, then 3-4 mg per kilogram 4Q12HR or 200 mg PO Q12HR. Esophagocandidiasis. Candida albicans, Candida glabrata, Candida krusei. 200 mg POQ 12HR. Serious fungal infections. Caused by C. disporium apiospermum, asexual form of Pseudolescuria boydii, and Fusarium spp. Including Fusarium solani, in patients intolerant of or refractory to other therapy. 6 mg per kilogram 4Q12HR for first 24 hours, then 4 mg per kilogram 4Q12HR or 200 mg PO Q12HR. Safety advice. Voriconazole is labeled Category D, fetal risk, which may be outweighed by maternal benefit in specific situations. That's all the information about voriconazole we collected. Thanks for listening. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for the HeInfo channel if you like this video, to update more health information.